it's me, Angel.B, coming at you with another look. So today I did a Christmas theme look. I did use Kerhet Dior's eyeshadow palette, the Annunaki palette, so you need to go get it because it's worth it. But yeah, this look came out really good. I love it. I don't know about you, but I do. But if you want to see how I create this look, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the Plouise base. And we're going to go ahead and put that all over our lid so that we have a clean canvas to work with. Alright, so the first palette that we're going to go into is the Kerhet Dior Annunaki palette, and the shade is red. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it in and also put it into my crease. And then I do go back and make sure that I blend it out really well. Okay, so the next color that we're going to go into is this dark green, and we're going to go ahead and put that into our crease, and then we're going to blend it out, but not all the way. We want to go back and forth between the two shades to make sure that it's well blended. So I find it easier for me, I don't know about anybody else, but I start off with just a little bit of product and then I blend it out and then I add more onto it. That way we can intensify the look and the crease and all of that, but not putting too much so that it won't be too easy to blend out. Alright, so here I'm just going back into that red and I'm trying to blend out that green, and I'm also taking the red a little bit higher up to my brow bone. Okay, so once I had blended out the red, I noticed that I started to lose my green, so I did go back into the green just to darken it up some more. Okay, and so to do my halo, I'm just using a flat brush that I use to conceal and all of that, and I'm using the Plouise base. Alright, to get the top of my halo line at the top really sharp, I'm using this art brush. It's a real small brush, but I'm using that to make sure that my line is like extremely crisp. Alright, so now that we got our halo base down, I'm going to go ahead into this dark green and I'm going to put it on each side of the halo and blend it out some. Alright, so I'm going to go back into this palette and I'm going to take this gold shimmery color and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the middle part of my eye, and then I'll go into the red to blend it out, but I put the red beside the green. Okay, so now we're going to go into the red and I'm going to place this right beside the green and I'm going to blend the two shades together and then also blend the red into the gold. So like I said before, I do go back and forth between the shades to make sure that everything is how I like it. You don't have to, but that's what I do. I'm a perfectionist, so it has to be perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner off camera and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.